Nowadays, the liquid chromatography had become in one of the most used techniques in order to analyze and separate a mixture of compounds. The fundamental of this technique is based on the interactions between the sample with the mobile and stationary phases. It can be carried out in a column or in a plane. The sample with the mobile liquid phase will pass across the column or the plane, which is packed with a stationary phase composed by a matrix formed of irregularly or spherically shaped particles with different characteristics as size, charge, polarity, and absorption. The AKTA PUE is a chromatography system for fast purification of proteins, peptides, and nucleic acids from microgram levels to tenths of grams of target product. Include the unicorn system control software and allowing easy interaction with the instrument models. This system is employed to perform liquid chromatography, including affinity chromatography (AZ), gel filtration (GF), ion exchange chromatography (EX), hydrophobic interaction chromatography (HIC), and reverse phase chromatography (RPZ). Also, it can be used to desalting and purification of proteins. Its principal components are a system pump, a mixer, injection valve, UV monitor, and conductivity monitor. Is always injection of the sample into the device. After made the injection, you have to run the method. And then we press the button start. The device always begins with the washing at a high flow of 20 milliliters by minute. First with the line A and then with the line B. And finally, when the washing is finished, the device will begin with the protocol. We have two buffers, line A1 and line B1. This is a chromatography where we're gonna separate proteins. First, the device feeds the A1 buffer that arrives to this head and passes through the pumps. These are the pumps for the line A, and these ones are for the line B. And then the pumps send the sample to the column and everything passes through the UV detector by conductivity. This is a column AE of ion exchange. This is the UV detector. When the sample passes through the column, is released to the UV detector. Here, the conductivity is measured, and when the device feeds the sample through this line to this component that is a fractionator and a sample collector. This is a loop where the sample is injected. This loop is of 5 milliliters, and according with the protocol, in the injection moment, the flux is pushed through the column and the elution is made with the B1 buffer, and continually the concentration of B1 buffer is increased. The only difference between the buffers is the salt concentration. This protocol is long because the injection flux is low, about 0.5 milliliters per minute, so the protocol lasts several hours.